Generative AI is a new computing platform like PC, Internet, mobile, and cloud. And like in previous computing eras, first movers are creating new applications and founding new companies to capitalize on generative AI's ability to automate and co-create. Debuild lets users design and deploy web applications just by explaining what they want. Grammarly is a writing assistant that considers context. Tab 9 helps developers write code. OmniKey generates customized ads and copy. Core AI is a virtual customer service agent. Jasper generates marketing material. Jasper has written nearly 5 billion words, reducing time to generate the first draft by 80%. InSilico uses AI to accelerate drug design. Absci is using AI to predict therapeutic antibodies. Generative AI will reinvent nearly every industry. Many companies can use one of the excellent generative AI APIs coming to market. Some companies need to build custom models with their proprietary data that are experts in their domain. They need to set up usage guardrails and refine their models to align with their company's safety, privacy, and security requirements. The industry needs a foundry, a TSMC, for custom large language models. Today, we announce the NVIDIA AI Foundations, a cloud service for customers needing to build, refine, and operate custom large language models and generative AI, trained with their proprietary data and for their domain-specific tasks. NVIDIA AI Foundations comprise language, visual, and biology model-making services. NVIDIA NeMo is for building custom language text-to-text generative models. Customers can bring their model or start with the NeMo pre-trained language models, ranging from GPT-8, GPT-43, and GPT 530 billion parameters. Throughout the entire process, NVIDIA AI experts will work with you, from creating your proprietary model to operations. Let's take a look.
Generative models, like NVIDIA's 43B foundational model, learn by training on billions of sentences and trillions of words. As the model converges, it begins to understand the relationships between words and their underlying concepts captured in the weights in the embedded space of the model. Transformer models use a technique called self-attention, a mechanism designed to learn dependencies and relationships within a sequence of words. The result is a model that provides the foundation for a ChatGPT-like experience. These generative models require expansive amounts of data, deep AI expertise for data processing and distributed training, and large-scale compute to train, deploy, and maintain at the pace of innovation. Enterprises can fast-track their generative AI adoption with NVIDIA NeMo service running on NVIDIA DGX Cloud. The quickest path is starting with one of NVIDIA's state-of-the-art, pre-trained foundation models. With the NeMo service, organizations can easily customize a model with p-tuning to teach it specialized skills, like summarizing financial documents, creating brand-specific content, and composing emails with personalized writing styles. Connecting the model to a proprietary knowledge base ensures that responses are accurate, current, and cited for their business. Next, they can provide guardrails by adding logic and monitoring inputs, outputs, toxicity, and bias thresholds so it operates within a specified domain and prevents undesired responses. After putting the model to work, it can continuously improve with reinforcement learning based on user interactions. And NeMo's Playground is available for rapid prototyping before moving to the Cloud API for larger scale evaluation and application integration. Sign up for the NVIDIA NeMo service today to codify your enterprise's knowledge into a personalized AI model that you control.
Picasso is a visual language model-making service for customers who want to build custom models trained with licensed or proprietary content. Let's take a look.
Generative AI is transforming how visual content is created. But to realize its full potential, enterprises need massive amounts of copyright-cleared data, AI experts, and an AI supercomputer. NVIDIA Picasso is a cloud service for building and deploying generative AI-powered image, video, and 3D applications. With it, enterprises, ISVs, and service providers can deploy their own models. We are working with premier partners to bring generative AI capabilities to every industry. Organizations can also start with NVIDIA Edify models and train them on their data to create a product or service. These models generate images, videos, and 3D assets. To access generative AI models, applications send an API call with text prompts and metadata to Picasso. Picasso uses the appropriate model running on NVIDIA DGX Cloud to send back the generated asset to the application. This can be a photorealistic image, a high-resolution video, or a detailed 3D geometry. Generated assets can be imported into editing tools or into NVIDIA Omniverse to build photorealistic virtual worlds, metaverse applications, and digital twin simulations. With NVIDIA Picasso services running on NVIDIA DGX Cloud, you can streamline training, optimization, and inference needed to build custom generative AI applications. See how NVIDIA Picasso can bring transformative generative AI capabilities to your applications.
We are delighted that Getty Images will use the Picasso service to build Edify image and Edify video generative models, trained on their rich library of responsibly licensed professional images and video assets. Enterprises will be able to create custom images and video with simple text or image prompts. Shutterstock is developing an Edify 3D generative model, trained on their professional image, 3D, and video assets library. Shutterstock will help simplify the creation of 3D assets for creative production, digital twins, and virtual collaboration, making these workflows faster and easier for enterprises to implement. And I'm thrilled to announce a significant expansion of our longtime partnership with Adobe to build a set of next-generation AI capabilities for the future of creativity, integrating generative AI into the everyday workflows of marketers and creative professionals. The new generative AI models will be optimized for image creation, video, 3D, and animation. To protect artist rights, Adobe is developing with a focus on commercial viability and proper content attribution, powered by Adobe's Content Authenticity Initiative. Our third language domain is biology. Drug discovery is a nearly $2 trillion industry with $250 billion dedicated to R&D. NVIDIA's Clara is a healthcare application framework for imaging, instruments, genomics, and drug discovery. The industry is now jumping onto generative AI to discover disease targets, design novel molecules or protein-based drugs, and predict the behavior of the medicines in the body. In silico medicine, Exscientia, Absci, and Evozyme are among hundreds of new AI drug discovery startups. Several have discovered novel targets or drug candidates that have started human clinical trials. BioNeMo helped researchers create, fine-tune, and serve custom models with their proprietary data. Let's take a look.
There are 3 key stages to drug discovery: discovering the biology that causes disease, designing new molecules, whether those are small molecules, proteins, or antibodies, and finally, screening how those molecules interact with each other. Today, generative AI is transforming every step of the drug discovery process. NVIDIA BioNeMo service provides state-of-the-art generative AI models for drug discovery. It's available as a cloud service, providing instant and easy access to accelerated drug discovery workflows. BioNeMo includes models like AlphaFold, ESMFold, and OpenFold for 3D protein structure prediction, ProteGPT for protein generation, ESM1 and ESM2 for protein property prediction, MegaMolBART and MoFlow for molecule generation, and DiffDock for molecule docking. Drug discovery teams can use the models through BioNemo's web interface or cloud APIs. Here's an example of using NVIDIA BioNemo for drug discovery virtual screening. Generative models can now read a protein's amino acid sequence and, in seconds, accurately predict the structure of a target protein. They can also generate molecules with desirable ADME properties that optimize how a drug behaves in the body. Generative models can even predict the 3D interactions of a protein and molecule, accelerating the discovery of optimal drug candidates. With NVIDIA DGX Cloud, BioNemo also provides on-demand supercomputing infrastructure to further optimize and train models, saving teams valuable time and money so they can focus on discovering life-saving medicines. The new AI drug discovery pipelines are here. Sign up now for access to NVIDIA BioNemo service.